Are you queer or trans and you want to do some good boundaries baking? Grab a treat. Let me show you how. In the queer community, we are baking all the time, but in the wrong way. When you need healthy and effective boundaries, you're going to need different ingredients: ownership, responsibility, humility, awareness, and repair. Let me show you how these ingredients come together to make one incredible treat. 1 cup of ownership. Honey, I saw you texting an unfamiliar number, and I told myself a little message. A handful of responsibility. I know my narrative is based more on my past wounds than your current character. A quart of humility. And I need to take responsibility for my stories. And finally, and the most incredible spice, awareness. Right from the down under. And I know 90% of my stories are wrong, so I'd like to figure this out because more than anything, I want to feel connected to you. If your partner or partners respond well to this tasty treat, it's going to be a good feast. Enjoy.